package. My guy, they follow a babe, they talk. They follow the talk, they owe it. You know, if you tell the babe, say, he get where body they do, and they follow the talk, they owe bola. Package, they want it, I don't say, body need pecos. Things they happen for this country. Plenty things they happen. Not be everything that we will go explain. Sometimes I go to wonder how you, guy man, you go to want to follow police, the court law where they don't catch you for inside bush. You look to the end, ask no day. You look this side, ask no day. Now so bush, you they follow the court law. If they're not faking you for them, they go delay you for them. Let me tell you the best way to deal with police or army. Police is your friend. Don't be joke. Oh. Police is your friend. It depends on how you approach them. I will give you 3 ways. To make friends with police. 1, if you dey drive, police can't stop you. From far, you don't already see them. As a sharp worry boy. As you see them like this, don't let them first you talk. Always first talk to them. See the code. Ah, Oga. Now you there, I be now. Shoot. What is happen now? See when I've pass, I give on something. Why they do like this now? And they give on something now. Now when you say, you won't stop. Why they do like this? Baba, see, come and tell you, my babe. Somebody come in and say, they see her for somewhere. Now that they rush you go. All this one key. They go leave you. You go. Even if they catch you with a bow or human head, they will leave you. You go. Second, if you see policeman for road, when you know say you carry exhibit or your paper no correct, from distance, auto worry boy, look them very well. You go know the oga know the day road, it is near motor. As they stop you, stop! Come down from the motor. Waka, go meet the oga. Even if they call you, say, when you now they call, where's your paper? Waka, leave them, go meet the oga. 1K, 500. Meet the oga. Press up for the oga and say, make you no verse. Say you no strong. Say you they already go somewhere. They call you, say, your mother-in-law, nowhere. You won't go Russia, go hospital. Press the 500 for your hand. As they come back like this, all those small corofo, all those small police, they call you. As they call you, don't answer them. Just tell them, say, you don't talk to the oga. For instance, say the oga go tell them, say, they could have never made the gun, my brother. You go smoke everywhere. Yeah. You go into motor, you go. 10. Bros, small smoke. The body just come. Small smoke. I want to make everybody they see me well. Listen, this country now, Operation Blow Your Blow. Burna Boy don't blow Grammy. Auto me. This smoke don't they cover my face. Why? Okay, now see. Wait. Cameraman, you they catch me. This smoke, me, another smoking, but make on another use the smoke to cover my face. You know what make everyone see me, make you sign me. Or make Don Jazzy see me sign me. Why would they use this smoke to cover my destiny? Why? The money when they pay me for this show don't go reach me to live my life. Why? See smoke everywhere. Una don't tell me to smoke. So then even if I come up for you now to say I won't go toast baby, my body go to smell smoke. They go to say I be bobo. No me be sick. I don't jogodo. Me I don't jogodo. All those getting the reduce when make a shot. Free me now. Carry a die. Bam. Boom. My brother. Third, based on the police issue. If you from distance see police, the third criteria to win them. They are very easy people. Now, only way you won't drag with them. From distance, as you see them like this, change the story. If you get alcohol, turn am for your body. Make your body dey smell kind. In fact, always have mockito in your boot, in your car. As you see them for far, just turn am for your body. If you know say your paper not correct, if you know say you be victim, now you dey fine. Even if you be Yahoo boy, turn am for your body. As you drive speed, as you reach where you dey, match break. The only thing wey won't come out for your mouth, you go die, you go die, you go die. And then they ask you, they ask you question, don't answer them. Enter main road, cross to the other side, cross, come back, go meet the oga, come back, go to the back of the motor, come back, sit down for the ground of the main road. They shout, you go die, you go die, you no go grill, you no go grill. All their mind will come down, say, be like this person at Christmas, it's on a bad market. They'll call the camera, the oga, waiting apple. And then they ask you, allow them to ask you for like 50 times before you go answer them. Calculate very well, count them. As you complete 50 times, answer them. Change the story. Oh God. Somebody call me. I did my ask, somebody call me, say, he catch my woman with boy for hotel. When I reach there, I confirm the woman will not born one pikin for me with one man. Say you go die. Child, you go die. You go kill yourself. You won't commit suicide. All those policemen, now they go carry you for motor. Now they go take your steering from you. They'll go drive you with your motor. Go your house. They go even go report for your DPO. Wait till your Zoom. Say, may they look you where I beg. They will give you police. They guide you. They break. Make you no kill yourself. My brother, no time to fight, to court laws with police. Now, when you want to court law, one of my guys go court law with them. Be based on, he get IG, he get DPO. As a cashier, stop! Because they found big boy. No matter worry police, they go jam. But worry police, they stop away. They don't want yet. They won't make you do it. They go to you say, wait till you pull I saw. I want make you do it till you pull I saw. My brother, as I stop my guy walk on carry body, say, get lawyer. Who are you? Do you know who I am? Police say, you go tell us who you be today. Now so they delay the guy. Before the guy go the IG, they don't delay the guy where they go before. They don't cancel the meeting first for him. They delay for like 12 hours. You see they there. They don't even answer him again. They just collect the paper. He called it there. IG call. As IG call, they say they don't want to take any call. Say they must carry the boy go police stations. Say that police station they won't take. DPO go answer call for them. Before the boy look, 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. don't knock. From 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Carry the boy go police station. The boy there police station. There. Before DPO come for where go call answer call. 10 o'clock for midnight orange. As DPO answer call na IG. Only two way talk. Now sorry that Lagos people. Sorry sir. Who is the policeman? Who is the IPO in charge of the case? IPO come. IPO say, sorry sir. We don't know say now your brother. The small police come. Sorry sir. Last. Okay sir. We will do what you will do sir. Last. They just free the guy around 12 o'clock for midnight. Where they go? Cancel. My brother, you have nothing to argue with police. There's so much love 20 naira. Give them 20 naira, they will be okay with it. There's so much they won't come out for your pocket. They are so much in love with it. Give them and go your way. You get some kind of things I'm going to see. I no go fit talk. The only thing I go now just shout. Two-Face not talker. See, no fit shout. What is the potato subject? My brother. Things they happen. If you want to win army man's heart, if you don't fuck up, you know say you don't fuck up. My brother, not argue with them. Not go me they say you be this, you be that, you be this, you get no, you dey fuck up. As I tell you, say stop. Just lie down. No mind waiting you wear. If you wear white, you don't win them already. For you to use your white to sleep for ground, they no say you be loyal person. They go leave you, may you go. But if not be white, just kneel down. So God, you don't know say you will offend them. Say me they no verse. Now only your mama born. Say me they no, just beg them. Before they go carry show you did, they don't forgive you. If you they say stop, you call the waka, they go they meet them based on say you they feel say you be waiting musician, or you be comedian, or you be artist, or you get money. As you waka, they go na Koboko, you go first take before they go listen to you. As you waka close to them, for your back, your sense go correct. Or they go slap your ear. This side, then you go take the ear. My brother, things are happening. Logic. If you don't have logic in this country, you can't live it. Logic, packaging, understanding. Understand everywhere around. Oh. As I dey follow the talk, so Nigeria no get light. Off my light. No let Nigeria use my light to see. Off my light! Off it!